Hey guys, okay, so we have been talking about different types of energies. Now we're going to delve a little bit deeper into two specific types of energy, thermal and electricity. First thing we're going to talk about, and they both kind of go together, is what is a conductor and what is an insulator. And it applies to both thermal and electrical energy, but we're going to look at them a little bit separate. We're going to start with thermal and what kind of things conduct and insulate against heat. All right, so first we have to understand the difference between a conductor and an insulator. So we're going to put some notes in our science journal. So go get your science journal, find your science section, and let's write this vocabulary down. Okay, so first, and I'm going to turn my page so I have more room to write. We're going to talk about a conductor. Okay, and then conductor, yeah. On this side, we're going to write insulator. Sorry, I have to say it weird to spell it right. Conductor, insulator. And these definitions are true for both thermal energy. Oh, my black pen's running out. That makes me sad. Let's get my purple one. Okay, so this is true for both electricity and for thermal energy, for both types of energy. So, a conductor, I always kind of remind myself, it's like a conductor on a train. A conductor on the train allows that train to move. So it's the same thing with energy. Conductors are materials that allow electricity and heat to easily pass through them. Okay, so it's going to allow the thermal energy and the electric energy to pass through them. It's not going to stop. Okay, the insulator is the opposite. Insulators are materials that stop electricity and heat from passing through easily. And that's the point here. It's that it doesn't allow it to pass easily. Now, it might not stop it all the way, but it will prevent it from maybe electrocuting you too badly, right, if we're dealing with electricity. Or maybe it'll still get warm, but it won't burn you, okay? So insulators protect, okay? So protect, yeah. They protect you from electricity and heat. Conductors are not. Conductors, they're going to allow you to be electrocuted and allow you to be burnt. Okay, they just let it pass right on through. Their job's not gonna be to stop it. All right, so that's the difference between a conductor and an insulator. And now we're gonna look specifically at thermal energy, and then next week we'll spend more time on electric energy, and we'll talk about some different things that go with it, okay? All right, get these notes in your journal and then go to the next slide and see what I want you to do with it.